friends, I'm Rupam and welcome to Full House Flavor. Today we are going to make Methi Paratha from Frozen Methi. Often in the supermarket you can find Frozen Methi in the freezer section. It comes in a packet like this and it's very handy to keep it at home in your freezer. Whenever you want to make Methi Paratha, you can just take it out and make paratha, and you don't have to go and look out for fresh methi. And it comes frozen as a cube. So first we will prepare this methi for the paratha, and then we will make the dough and start making parathas. It's been a couple of hours and I've taken it out from my freezer and it's defrost now. So let's see what are the ingredients do we need for methi paratha. So these are the ingredients we need to make methi paratha. I have my methi. We have a quarter teaspoon turmeric. I need 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and I have taken 2 to 3 cup of wheat flour. So let's start and get our methi ready first for the paratha. So my pan is heated now and I have added 1 teaspoon of oil, and here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and we'll go ahead and add quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Once the cumin seed starts to splutter, we will add our frozen methi. Here I am going to break this with the hand so that it's easier to cook. You can do this in advance while our pan was getting heated. Now we have to keep on stirring and keep on cooking until our methi leaves are cooked well and all the moisture is evaporated. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. It's been 5 to 6 minutes since I've been cooking, and as you can see it's cooked now and the moisture has been evaporated. So at this point I'm going to switch off the hob and will allow it to completely cool down before we make a dough. Here I have 2 to 3 cup of wheat flour, and in this I'm going to add some Carom Seed, which is also called ajwain. It's like a quarter teaspoon, and I just give a rub on my palm and just spread it. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, and now we'll add our methi. So just give a mix of these first. And now we'll add our methi. This is a 4 cube which I used. I'm only going to use half of it in this now. I'm keeping the other half for next time. I'll just put it in a container and keep it in the fridge, and I can just make it within a day or two. So this much is enough for 2 to 3 cup of flour. So give a good mix first with everything, and then we'll start adding water and make a soft dough. To make a dough, just start adding water slowly, and we want a dough which is soft, which we don't want a very hard dough. So our dough is ready, and this is the kind of dough we need. As you can see, I can easily press it with my fingers. We'll just take a few drops of oil and put it on the top so that it stays moist. Now our dough is ready, and we'll just allow the dough to rest for 5 minutes, and then we'll start making our parathas. You can easily store this dough in the fridge for 1 to 2 days and make your paratha as you need it. So here I got everything ready to make my methi paratha. So let's start making a ball. If you are new to making a paratha or roti or chapati, then you might find it difficult. But with practice, it comes naturally. You will need to dip in the dry flour now and then so that you can roll it nicely. So here I am just rolling the paratha. The technique which I found quite handy is you put a pressure on one side of the rolling pin and you keep the other side quite light, and that helps it to rotate in the circular motion. Now our paratha is ready to go on the tawa. Because it's paratha, it shouldn't be too thick or too thin. As my paratha is cooking, I'm just preparing another one to roll. You can flip the paratha after a few seconds. As you can see, this side is half cooked, so now we'll cook it on the other side. Now the paratha is cooked both sides, so here we are adding some oil. It's like a half a teaspoon on each side. Now with the help of a spatula, I'll be keep on rotating, keep on pressing and keep on cooking. If you press with the spatula, it helps the paratha to cook evenly. And as you can see, the paratha is cooked nicely. So just like that, I'll be keep on making couple of more for you. Just try to make your balls in the similar size, so it helps the paratha to be rolled in the similar shape. Here I am adding oil from spoon. So I just wanted to show you that how little oil you required for the paratha. And if you want to make it keep it healthy, you don't have to add oil actually. You can just cook it without oil and it tastes fabulous. I just wanted to show you that I made 5 parathas and I still have this much dough. So 3 cups of dough, which is actually good for around 20 to 25 parathas, depending on the size you choose. here is our paratha. While I was making it, I kept it on the paper towel, but you can see there's no oil in it. So and this is the texture of paratha. It looks so nice, crisp, yummy. At the same time, it's soft. This is perfect for kids' lunchbox or your lunchbox. You can just have a mango chutney on it or tomato pickle. I have my tomato pickle recipe. You can try that. You can have it with any sabji. You can just roll it and take it on the go. It's just wonderful. See how soft it is. I hope you're going to try this frozen methi paratha recipe, and please share your feedback with me. I'll be keep on coming with lots and lots of paratha recipe and roti and puri recipe. So do like and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.